guys, my name is Nakul. I hope you all are doing good. You are watching How About Tech, and today we will talk about NFTs. We will see what are those, how do they work, and why lately so many people are taking interest in them, and everything you should know about them. So let's begin the video. NFT or non-fungible token is basically a cryptographic token. But unlike cryptocurrencies, they have their own set of unique identities and they are non-fungible, that is, they cannot be interchanged. These are basically a digital file which contains a unique identity and ownership which can be traced by using a blockchain. In simpler terms, think of them as collectibles, say a rare Pokemon card, a piece of digital art, or an in-game item from your favorite game, which you can own in the form of NFT by spending cryptocurrencies. The main benefit of owning an NFT is that they have distinguishing properties which makes them distinctive from others and they can be easily verified. Even though someone can create a copy of your digital art, but only you will have the ownership of that digital art, which can be easily traced back to you and verified by using the blockchain. So how do the NFTs work? With the help of NFT, any piece of artwork can be tokenized in a digital form, which is then certified of its ownership and which can then be sold and bought by others because now it holds a certain amount of value. The value of a NFT is determined by the market and its demand. The artwork can take a form of a digital art, a photo or a music file. With the help of certain formats like JPEG, MP3 or GIF, interested persons can purchase NFTs via digital platforms who sell and buy NFTs by spending cryptocurrencies. Where can you buy and sell NFTs? There are a large variety of marketplaces and digital platforms that buy and sell NFTs. It will majorly depend upon the type of NFT you are interested in, as specific websites deal in specific kind of NFTs. For example, you can buy exclusive NBA collectibles from their own website called NBA Hotshot. These websites or platforms sell NFTs in the form of events, drops or auctions. Some other well-known sites or platforms where you can buy or sell NFT are OpenSea, Super Rare, Nifty Gateway, Foundation, etc. If you are interested in NFT, you can go and check out these websites. That brings us to the question, how much are NFTs actually worth and who are using them? NFTs has become immensely popular with artists, gamers, digital content creators and even big brands like NBA. The value of a NFT can be anywhere from a few dollars to an astonishing amount of $690,000, which was spent on a GIF portraying a cat with a rainbow trail. It is estimated that a whopping amount of $174 million have been spent on NFT since November of 2017. Few weeks earlier, a singer sold her digital art for more than $6 million. And it is not just the art that is being sold. Co-founder of Twitter, Jack, is offering first ever tweet in the form of NFT, which has already received a bid of more than $2.5 billion. NFTs has become a very attractive source of income and immense popularity for big brands, and brands like Taco Bell have also tried their hands with NFTs. They sold a haul of 25 taco themed GIFs in the form of NFT in just under 30 minutes. These GIF contained a gift card worth $500 which the original owner can spend. This strategy increased the popularity of Taco Bell to many folds. A popular name in the NFT market recently is of an artist by the name Beeple, which is making millions of dollars by selling bizarre and hilarious digital art. He even break his own record by selling his digital art for more than $69 million. These are just a few examples which show the potential that is in the NFTs and how some people are taking benefit from them. So can you make and sell NFTs? Yes, you can. If you are an artist or a content creator who wants an extra source of revenue, you can create and sell your own NFTs. Say if you have a piece of art or a GIF that you want to sell, you can go to a platform and create a new project which then can be sold as NFT on their platform. Also, you can create a contract in the token according to which you would receive a commission when your art is resold. By this way, you will get a recurring commission and a form of revenue whenever your art is being resold. So what lies ahead? What is the future of NFT? NFTs has become hugely popular with crypto users and companies because the way it revolutionized the art, gaming and collectible industry. For artists, being able to sell their artwork to a global audience without having the need of auction house or gallery has resulted in larger profits for them, and it is likely here to stay. There is a huge audience base of people who take pride in collecting and owning these one-of-a-kind artwork or unique items, and as far as there is demand, the supply shall continue. But it is not all positive with the NFTs. There have been certain issues raised regarding the NFTs, especially their impact on the environment, as generating a NFT uses a lot of energy, and selling, reselling and trading in NFT also results in major use of energy. However, big companies and artists have come forward and pledged that they would use much more carbon neutral platforms, and their drops would also be carbon neutral moving forward. NFTs has provided a new meaning to digital art, and the recent response to NFT industry has shown that it is the future of art and collectible industry. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you in understanding the NFTs and resolved some of your doubts. If you like today's content, please give this video a thumbs up, as it will motivate me to bring you more such content. Also, subscribe to my channel for more tech related videos and follow me on my social media handles for latest tech updates and notifications. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, take care and goodbye.